Aloha kamamai. Greetings and welcome to the Return to the Essence podcast. I am known as Shivallah Dharma. What you will be present to, listening to, receiving through body, mind and heart is a live, vital podcast. In the background you will hear the sounds of birds, waves of cicadas coming in and out. Sometimes there might even be the sound of a jet plane overhead, faintly heard, or even the sound of a car, maybe even a dog in the background sometimes. With a lush rainforest and Australian bush surrounding. Now the reason for this, rather than recording this podcast in the sterile ambience of a recording studio, is literally to capture the richness of nature, to provide this as a source of nourishment for those who do not have access to such beauty and such vitality. Whether you are in a city, in a town, living in a caravan or a tent, or homeless, if you have access to this podcast, welcome it as a source of nourishment. Yes, we can hear the sound of the speaker's voice. There is a very specific resonance with that alone. And there are also the beautiful frequencies and sound waves of what is in the immediate environment of where this podcast is being recorded. Here we are, perceiving what we are perceiving. I am here. We are here. Life is here. In this moment, we are recognizing that we are perceiving through the ears what we are perceiving. We are perceiving through the eyes what we are seeing. We are perceiving through sensation through the body, where we are sitting or standing or lying down. Recognizing that I am aware of this. Recognizing I am the awareness of being aware of this. Recognizing I am here. I am the one within I am. Perceiving what is arising within my field of awareness in this very moment. And as we relax deeper into this awareness, we gently bring our attention to the breath as well. To simply be present to the rhythm of the breath, and recognizing that the mystery of life is breathing this body. The mystery of life is giving this body mind, heart and soul what it needs in this very moment, which is life. Perceiving, receiving, recognizing I am here. In this process of returning to the essence, we are returning to the essence of being. Being the awareness of what we are being aware of. As we are returning to the essence, we are choosing to be in the peace beyond ego mind. Closing our eyes, we rest in the timeless presence within. Resting in the valley of the sacred, there is a gentle, quiet whispering. The mystery of life is breathing us. The presence of love is transforming us. The peace beyond ego mind is uniting us within and therefore without. Resting in the valley of the sacred, we rest in the timeless presence within. Returning to the essence, being in presence, bathing in peace. It is as simple as this. Listening, receiving, simply being here. Recognizing, here I am. Recognizing I am, the one within I am. The mystery of life is breathing me and loving me as I am. And so it is. Every so often we hear the speaker's voice cease uttering words. In those gaps, we continue to listen, receive, and simply be. Listening, receiving, simply being here. Wishing you well on your journey. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let there be peace right here. Let there be peace right now. Om Shanti.
you.